Getting paid daily by just playing games is one of the best ways to generate extra income online. That's why in today's video I'll give you multiple apps that you can use for that purpose, which work for both iOS and Android users. If you're interested, make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can also get the desired results. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already and you are new to this channel, to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. So you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and maybe you can be one of the first to make the most money. If you love this type of content, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want to ask me any question. With that said, let's now begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. And as I said before, I'm going to give you multiple apps, so just stay tuned because you can get easily lost and confused. I'm going to proceed with the first one, which is called Winr Games, and it's over at winrgames.com. So I'm over the official website, but as you can see, you can even download it as an app on App Store and even on Google Play Store. So it's available for both devices. You can win cash playing free games. They are sharing back their revenue. So let's see how it works. You're going to choose one of the many different games in big time and also collect some tickets. The more tickets you earn, the higher your chance of winning the cash prizes will be. And when the time runs out, the tickets are tabulated and a winner is going to be drawn. So you can take a look also of the games that they are offering. As you can see over here, there are a lot of games related to different categories. Down here there are a lot of the winners that have earned more than $3,000. As you can see, sometimes even more than $4,000, and you can be one of them too. If you scroll down, you're going to see some of the most important questions. So how you can enter a draw. You need to download Big Time app on Google Play Store or App Store. It depends on the device that you are using, and you're going to earn at least one ticket in any of the games that you are going to play, and you'll be entered into that week's draw. After the draw is going to be completed, if you are a winner, they are going to contact you through email, and then the email will also contain the steps on how to claim the prize. Prizes will be awarded in the form of a bank wire transfer. As you can see, to participate in their contest, you need to be at least 14 years old, and you can participate for absolutely free. You just need a smartphone device and a Wi-Fi connection. So there is no limit to how much money you can earn for playing video games. So it depends on you, on how much time and effort you want to put on this, and also you can play every day for your chance to make the most money. So let's check it out over at Google Play Store. You're going to see that they got more than 440,000 of reviews with 4.4 stars out of 5, which is pretty awesome actually, and it shows that this is a legit platform that people are loving it. You can even check it out over at App Store. You're going to see that they got like almost 6,000 of ratings with 4.6 stars review, which is a lot. Also, you can go over here in order to learn some of the features that they offer, and you can download it for absolutely free on your smartphone or tablet. So I'm going to proceed with the next app for today, which is called Mistplay, and it's over at mistplay.com on their official website. You can even get it on Google Play Store. So unfortunately, this is only available for Android users. It's not available on App Store, but also I have another platform that it's also available for both devices, so stay tuned for that. So this is one of the #1 loyalty program for mobile gamers. You're going to see how it works. You're going to discover some new games that are going to be recommended just for you. You can play and collect some units. The longer you play, the more you're going to earn, and then you can redeem those units for some awesome rewards. So you're going to see that they have a personalized game library built just for you. You can find a game that you like and then start playing. The longer you play, the more units you earn, just like we mentioned before. So it depends on you, on how much time and effort you want to put on this in order to get the desired results. So you can redeem those units for some gift cards to Amazon, Visa, Google Play, and also PayPal. As you can see, they have given out more than $21 million, which is crazy, and it shows that this is is a legit platform. You can even enter to some contests for a chance to win the grand prize. They launch new contests every week, as you can see. You can even unlock achievement badges when you complete missions, and every badge you'll earn will give you more units that you can spend on those rewards. You can even play with your friends in order for it to make it more fun, because you can compete with them. So you can see what people that are using this platform are saying down here, but you can even go over to Google Play Store and you can check out the reviews. They have more than 254,000 of ratings with 4.2 stars, which is pretty awesome. You can see over here that they have been launched in 2016 and they have been downloaded over 10 million of times. So this shows that this is a legit platform that has been around for quite some time. This was over at a Mistplay, play to earn rewards that you can only find on Google Play Store. So if you are liking this video till now, I highly recommend to just subscribe to Edinemia's World so you can find some similar videos just like these ones, and turn on the notification bell because I'm going to notify you whenever a new video is going to be up. So let's proceed with the third platform for today, or app. This is over at Gamee Prizes, and it's called Real Cash Games. So you're going to even find it on App Store. First of all, let's see here on Google Play Store about the reviews. They have more than 400,000 of ratings with 4.3 stars out of 5, which is pretty awesome. You're going to see that they offer more than 70 different games in one app. You can spin the Wheel of Fortune, you can complete in the daily tickets leaderboard, you can earn instantly every day, and also you can take part in lucky games in order to win $100 every 4 hours for absolutely free. So they have a lot of possibilities for you to make a lot of money. So if you're wondering why this is possible, as you can see, Gamee just shares back the revenue that they earn from advertising. So you're going to earn some real prizes and rewards. You're going to scroll down to see what you can win every week. So you can collect free tickets and then you automatically participate in the giveaways, and they're giving out like more than $5,000 every month. You're going to win real big money prizes with hundreds winners every week. Also, in order to get those tickets, you need to play their free games and complete some game missions. There are like 4 missions per each game. You can even spin the Wheel of Fortune in order to win even more tickets and free rewards. And also you can invite friends to get a lot of tickets and free real dollars. So it's absolutely free. You can join it here on Google Play Store by installing it, but you can even go over to App Store. As you can see, it's called Prizes by Gamee Money Games. They have more than 10,000 of ratings with 4.6 stars reviews. You can even check out the reviews, what people are saying about this platform, but also go over to their official website at prizes.gamee.com. You're going to see that you can even sign in here if you want to use the desktop version, but if you want to make money with your smartphone device or tablet, you can download it for absolutely free on App Store or Google Play Store. So these were all the apps that I wanted to show you today. In order to make the most money, you can even use all of them, combine all of them, and you can just earn by playing games. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and subscribe to Edinemia's World with notifications on. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.